So, good morning, dear students. As we have completed yesterday how the earths get heated. Yes, hope you all understood that various gases are responsible for this global warming, as we have learned yesterday. So, here you have to underline in your textbook ppm. Now, what is ppm means? Part per million. For example, 220, 280 parts per million means it is 0.28 percentage. If you want to write the more meaning, it means it's used to measure chemical concentration. Now you might be thinking, what is ppm? Actually, it is used for the calculating, measuring chemical concentration, usually in the solutions of water. Okay. You know the weight for weighting the kilograms and all. Likewise, ppm is just for the chemical calculation. Clear? Yes. So here in this map you can see the global temperature, how it increased, as we have seen 0.6 degree temperature. So you can see the year 1860, 1880, 1900, 1920, 1940, 1960, 1980, 2000 it's increasing only. आपने कभी देखा है कि टेम्परेचर कम हुआ है? No, it is simultaneously increased. That's why it's given here, increase in the temperature by 0.6 degrees Celsius in the last 100 years. Got it? So increased average temperature on earth in the last 150 years. Now think, this is one practical all students can do at home. So we know that a definite quantity of sugar or salt has to be added in vegetables or tea. आपको पता है कि जब भी हम सब्जी बनाते हैं या टी बनाते हैं, जो भी मेजरमेंट है, it should be in proper proportion. अगर ज़्यादा ओवर शुगर डालेंगे तो you will say it's very sweet. अगर कम भी डालोगे तो it's very it is not sweet. Okay, सब्जी में भी if you make a सब्जी, we need a proper amount of salt. Yes or no? कम और ज़्यादा नहीं चलेगा. Yes. Likewise, it's just given the practical. Everybody can do at home. तो सबको पता है कि हमें proper proportions चाहिए हर चीज में. Likewise, earth also need a proper proportions. High temperatures भी नहीं चाहिए, low temperatures भी नहीं चाहिए. Clear? What would happen if we add more sugar or salt? क्या होगा? अगर मैं सब्जी या चाय या कुछ बनाऊं, I just add more than the needed sugar or salt, you will feel some other taste. Yes. Got it? क्योंकि आप शुगर भी अगर चाय भी पीते तो आपको proper proportions चाहिए. और सब्जी में भी नमक ओवर हो गया तो क्या होगा? It's eatable? It's not eatable. In the same way, there is a balance of proportions of gases in the atmosphere. इसीलिए हमें proper proportions चाहिए air का in the atmosphere. If we see in atmosphere, तो we have seen the various gases are increasing. तो वो भी proper proportions नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? Global warming, greenhouse gases effect, all this happens. Clear? Imagine what would happen to this balance if the proportions of carbon dioxide increases in the temperate atmosphere. Yes, so it will result in the global warming. Now next we'll move to the other reason. Study the table given above, state how much we are responsible in adding to the temperatures of the earth. अब हम next table में जाते हैं. You can also move your notebook, textbook में आप ले सकते हो page number. Here are some things. Place things. How the various electronic appliances are also responsible for the high temperature. Air का तो हमने बात किया. अब हम बात करेंगे कि various things. Thermal power stations which is converting to the energy. Okay, power station in which heat energy converted into electric power. तो ये भी हमारे लिए जरूरी थी कि इलेक्ट्रिक पावर भी हमें जनरेट करने का है. So this is 200 millimeter watt. Yearly it is 9 lakhs tons. Proportions of gases releasing aggravates the greenhouses. Okay, so it just aggravates मतलब it is responsible, which is a great effect. Okay, which is responsible for the greenhouse. Meaning आप लिख सकते हो Agra words count properly in your notebook. Write down all of you. Aggravate means make worse or more serious. It make more, worse and serious. Clear? You can write. So these electric appliance also is responsible for the greenhouses. Okay? So 9 lakh ton every year. मोटर कार जो हम चलाते रोड पे ईयरली 70 एसएस की बात कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पर. टन मतलब उसका किलोग्राम हम जो मेजर करते हैं ना वो वाला. एसी जो हम चलाते हैं ऑन एन एवरेज 2 आवर्स, इट 24 आवर्स में उसका टाइम है 2230 किलोग्राम का गैसेस हम एमिट कर रहे हैं. यस. टीवी 24 आवर्स 190 kg. ट्यूबलाइट 24 आवर्स 88 kg का जो गैसेस प्रिवेंट करता है. कंप्यूटर 24 आवर्स 130 kg. फ्रिज 24 आवर्स 920 kg का हम ये जो टन्स गैसेस आर emitting from these all appliances. Clear? Now next, methane gas. Okay, which is also responsible for the earth get heated. Okay. Now methane gas, the massive increase in methane proportions from 315 part per million in the year 17. It's given in a textbook. Tell me 17. 1750 to 1764. So methane gas, that is CH4. Yes, the massive increase in the methane proportions from 315 part per million in the year 1750 to 1764 part per million in the year 2005 was due to the reason listed below. See, all gases are increasing only, as we have seen the chart. So ये गैस भी responsible है, and what things are responsible for this methane gas, that we will learn. Okay, you might have learned in science. Science फायर ये, okay, तो decomposable है, biodegradable सबको पता, मुझे एक्सप्लेन ज़्यादा नहीं. The reason is what? Now what is the reason for this increasing gas of CH4? Exhaling of animals and metabolism process, that is release of methane. मतलब इन कारणों से क्या रिलीज हो रहा है, कितना मीथेन रिलीज हो रहा है? 14 crore ton. Yes, so you all know exhaling of animals मतलब what? जो एनिमल्स बाहर निकालता है. Yes, clear? Is giving off. And metabolism process means what? What is metabolism? The food which is converted into energy in your body. Okay, whatever your food you are eating, it just converted into energy. So that thing comes metabolism. So that is also released, and that is also responsible for the release of methane, that is 14 crore ton. Paddy cultivations, 15 crore tons. Now decompositions of the biodegradable waste, 7 crore tons. You all know what is decomposition?
Yes.
All waste things.
Yes.
Okay, जिसको reuse करते biodegradable
Waste.
waste. What are these example? Can you give me biodegradable waste में क्या है? Food है,
Food.
dust है,
Dead bodies.
dead bodies है. These all को convert करने के लिए 7 crore tons methanes are using gases. Okay, now think to know. All the things used by human in one day has 80% of the air in it. तो पीपल्स क्या करते हैं, जो भी थिंग्स यूज करते हैं 80% किससे यूज करते हैं? एयर को यूज करते हैं. ब्रीथ लेना. यस, ऑल दिस. अ मैन ब्रीथ्स, अंडरलाइन, 22,000 टाइम्स एवरी डे. कितनी बार ब्रीथ लेता है यहाँ पर मैन? In this way, a man consumes 16 kg of oxygen from the environment per day. A man consume, कितने हमको नेचर की जरूरत पड़ती है, एनवायरमेंट हम कितना कंज्यूम करते हैं. आज मैं पूरा मेरा सांस बंद कर दूं तो मैं जिंदा रह सकते हो anybody? How it's needed? Okay, so a man consumes 16 kg of oxygen from the environment per day की बात कर रहे हैं. So how it is important for us? Yes. Now next gas is nitrous oxide. Okay, the proportions of nitrous oxide has increased from 270 part per million to recent 319 part per million. Okay.
Yes.
Now next is CFC gas,
Chlorofluorocarbon.
due to the use of foam, plastic, refrigerators, AC, circuit aerosol spray, जो हम स्प्रे करते हैं ना हर चीज में, वो भी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल है इस गैस को इंक्रीज करने के लिए. ओके, बाय बॉडी स्प्रे का भी हम बोल सकते हैं या एनी स्प्रे. ओके, the minute particles having the size ranging from 1 micron equal to 10 micron is known as aerosol. एक proportion से गैस का. Okay, etc. that has been an increase in the CFC. These all spray are responsible for this increase in CFC. Now things to know. As per the resolutions passed by the United Nations on 23rd January 1955, 16 September is observed as an ozone day. अभी आ रहा 16 September. That day is observed as a
Ozone day.
पता है ना ozone layers. It protects Earth from the sun, direct sun rays.
UV rays से बचाता है.
After 1980, year 2007 was the hottest year. तो ऐसा कंसीडर किया गया है कि आफ्टर दिस 2007 was considered as the hottest day. Hope you understood. Prepare this video. Yes, and read up, but again revise these videos at home. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.